Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be going over another Bukkit plugin, and this one is called AutoCast, and this is going to allow you to broadcast different messages to your server, and you can use this to display rules that people might know because it's different from any other server. Display how to do things, like if there's a vital command, like with heroes, if you're a hero server and you need people to choose a hero, you can post that command in chat or in this broadcast to make sure that everybody knows that it's very important that they pick a hero. But anyway, you can use it to broadcast like donations, like donation perks. So if someone gives $10 and they get this, you can broadcast that so people have an incentive to donate and they know that donations are there, and that if they want to make one they can. Pretty much any general information. If you're going to take down the server in an hour for maintenance, you can put that in there. You can do a bunch of different things, just mainly conveying information to the server that you feel that they need to know. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to hit, I'll put the link in the description, but we're going to hit download, of course, or keep show in folder if you're on Chrome, or just find your downloads folder if you're on Firefox. And don't use Internet Explorer. But anyway, we're just gonna drag it into our Bukkit plugins folder. We're gonna go to our server, go to our plugins folder, and then drag it into here. Then we can close up that. I think 4.0 came out pretty recently. So you're just gonna want to make sure that 4.0 is out, or that you have updated to 4.0. See, it's R 4.0. And it should be working. It was pretty recently updated, so I don't think the error will really cause us any problems. Sometimes there are errors, but they don't really cause any problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in. We're going to open up the configuration file. So this is your time between broadcasts in seconds. So that's about 5 minutes. That's a pretty good time, but for our purposes, we're going to do 10 seconds between broadcasts, just to show you the different messages that you can do. If you open up the messages file, you can type stuff in. So hello, this is and test. And what we'll do is we'll turn this, we'll restart the server so that it has these configs loaded up, and then we'll join it, of course. You can see it's already broadcasting them. In another 10 seconds it should broadcast another one. See? But what I would recommend doing, you can see how it's broadcasting every 10 seconds. I wouldn't recommend doing that. At the least I would do every minute, but really I would set it to every 2 minutes or so. But again, so that's 120 seconds, 60 times 2 minutes. But for this purposes, we're going to set it to 10 seconds, as I said. So you can do different things. We're going to open up the message file, or where is it? What did I do with it? Here it is. So we're going to open up the messages file here, and we're going to change this up a little bit more so there's a different format. So what we're going to do is we're going to put like server in here, and then a message. So welcome to the server. So another thing that this plugin does color. I think that's what it said. So what we're gonna do is I'll show you guys how to do color in a second. Here we go. Just want to make sure that it's actually gonna do that. It's actually gonna load that broadcast. See, it did it right there, and then it should repeat it. And there you go. So it says welcome to the server, but that's really bland. It's not really going to pick up the attention of your audience, of your server members. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, and we're going to type in Minecraft chat colors, and I can type. I think it's in this one. Not sure. This is actually some of like the hardest information to find. Yeah, so it's right here. I'll put the link to this in the chat. So let's say we want to make this a dark red. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and 4, and then and F is back to white. So if we go back to our messages folder, we're going to put the and sign, that's the %sign, and 4, and then we're going to want the message to be back to being in white, so we're going to do and F. So once we save that, it should just put this part in dark red, and you can see it's already doing it in the chat, so you really don't even have to restart the server, which is actually a really nice feature that I didn't really realize. So you can see that, but again, that's to me, that's still not popping enough. So we're gonna put another one. Where's the and sign? So and sign, but we're gonna pick a different color this time. I think a nice bright green with an A is really gonna stick out. It's just gonna look like Christmas, which I don't think is a problem, but we'll see. So you can see now it really sticks out. Now everybody's gonna see it. Everybody's gonna be wondering, you know, what is that? And if you want to go even crazier, you can go, you can do things like, and let's just pick a different color. Let's do bright pink D. Let's do another one in between server and let's do bright yellow and E. And then so once we have that all set up, we can save. You can see it's getting a little crazy. So welcome to the server. Now it's really popping. Now you're going to get the attention of every buddy in your server by changing those colors. So that's pretty much it for auto broadcast. It's a really simple plugin, but if you make your messages pop, it's a really good way to get donations, spread different information out that everybody needs to know. And thanks for watching, and come back next time.